Mweri-ini wa mugwanja nirio bururi wa Kenya wamukagira agendi makiria makienda kwiyonera magegania ma ngati igikira ruui rwa Maara. Aige mamoita World Cup ya nyamu cia githaka. Makiria ma ngati millioni 2 nishikoragwo igikira ruui ruu ciumite runyanjara-ini rwa nyamu rwa Serengeti mwena wa Tanzania ikiingira runyanjara-ini rwa Masaai Mara gwetha gia kuria. Nyamu icio igikira ruui ruu mutino munene ukoragwo cingetheire tondu ruiyuire ing'ang'i irio na cikoragwo na ihinda ria gukunguira kumana na uingi wa nyama iria inyitaga. Nari agendi kuma mabururi-ini matiganite ni mambiriirie gwikinyia mwena wa Maara kuona nyamu icio.
It's absolutely amazing, not just the migration but all the animals in Kenya. Like it's just amazing to see them in the wild.
Well, what is really spectacular is the number and also the randomness of the whole thing, because you have double crossing in, crossing out, sometimes a kind of struggle for survival to see who is getting eaten.
Ene mikawa mwena ucio ni moigete ati biacara ni yabatirite na gicunji kinene ikiringithanio na mwaka muhituku.
We're glad that the migration started and business is actually very good as of now. We have on projection quite good figures.
Ona agendi ni magathiririe motungata maria mamukirite ona kugacira kwa ugitiri mugaru noria gukoretwo gukirikana kuri no hagukuwa ugitiri bururi-ini.
And some of the guides we've seen today are definitely well instructed, very knowledgeable about what they are doing.
Don't fear it. This place is beautiful. This is an amazing part of the world, and this is a very special event that happens for only a few months every year. So we're very happy that we've seen it.
Undu uyu twagendi uguciriirie kuonona mathukuru riu ni mambiriirie kuyukia undu ucio na gutwara arutwo ao kuo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Ruuui wa Wanjiku.